Dryer not spinning? Here's what might be wrong. Is your dryer turning on but the drum just won't spin? Don't worry, there are several common causes for this, and many are simple to check. Start with the door switch. If the switch is faulty or not engaging properly, the dryer won't spin for safety reasons. Open the door and press the switch manually. If you don't hear a click or the dryer doesn't respond, the switch might be broken. Next, check the drive belt. Over time, belts can wear out, slip off, or snap entirely. If the motor runs but the drum doesn't turn, there's a good chance the belt is the issue. You'll need to remove the top or front panel to inspect it. If the belt looks fine, the problem might be with the drive motor. Sometimes the motor hums but doesn't spin, which can indicate a mechanical jam or electrical failure. This is a bit more advanced. Use a multimeter to check for continuity if you're comfortable with electrical testing. Don't forget the idler pulley and tension spring. These components keep the belt tight. If they wear out or break, the belt won't grip the drum properly and it won't spin. Another possibility is a blown thermal fuse or faulty start switch. Both can interrupt the motor circuit. Again, a multimeter can help you test these parts. In rare cases, a malfunctioning control board or timer can be to blame, especially if the dryer doesn't respond at all or behaves erratically. If this sounds overwhelming, or if you've tried everything and the dryer still won't spin, it's time to call the pros. At ZapFixers, we specialize in fast and affordable dryer repair across South Florida from Miami to Boca Raton. Our expert techs will diagnose the issue and get your dryer back up and running quickly. Visit ZapFixers.com or call us today to schedule your repair. We're here to help, because laundry shouldn't be a struggle.